Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jayma Mensa, for any of you who don't know. For those of you that do, thanks for tuning in. In today's video, I'm not going to make the intro long. I'm basically going to be unboxing and reviewing a wig by LUVME Hair. This is my first time trying a wig from them, and let me just be honest, full disclaimer, this is not even my wig, it's my sister's. But we were so in love with the packaging and everything that came with it, and she suggested that I do an unboxing and review for you guys. For anyone who wants to go beyond the AliExpresses of this world and get something a little bit nicer but you don't want to break the bank, this is really a video for you. This is really a hair company for you. I'm not going to go too much into the review at this stage because you guys haven't even seen the wig yet. I'm going to unbox it and show you everything that's in it first before showing you the wig itself. Then we're going to put it on and we're going to talk about it at the end. Let's talk about this packaging because it is absolutely gorgeous. I love the shade of purple that's used, and they've got a really pretty ribbon on it. Also, this was delivered within like 3 days of ordering it through FedEx. Once you open it, you have a lovely little message that says, "We know switching it up is everything, so unbox the love." This is so cute. The first thing here is the wig itself. Sorry, this has been taken out and put back in, so it might not look exactly like this when you get it, but it will look something like this. I'm just going to read out the specs to you. I will leave all the details in the description box down below as well, but just so you guys know before you see it. So this is a breathable cap, brown highlight loose wave, glueless 5x5 closure HD lace wig in 22 inches. That's everything. That was kind of a mouthful, but like I said, the details will be down below as well. This is the wig. It's actually pre-styled as well, so going to make your life very easy if you are not a wig girly like me. If you're not the most amazing at styling hair, this is like really super helpful. And what else comes in the box? So I think this is like a satin band to help you tie down your hair. This is very useful. A reward info leaflet. It also comes with a wig cap. This is a bonnet, I believe, like a satin bonnet. This is a brush for your edges. Everything is like on brand, and the shade of purple is so luxe, so I love that about it. Finally, it just comes with a storage bag for your wigs as well. With the bag, there are these 2 labels to help you label your wig. And then the last thing here is just kind of a care and info card, just to give you some details about tips for using the wigs, how to care for it, and then just some info around returns and exchanges if the wig isn't what you want or something wrong with it. So that's everything that comes in the box. I know you guys are like, would you just show us the hair already? And yeah, we're about to get into that. Okay, let me show you guys what I've got going on under here, and then we can get the wig on. So I've got my hair in cornrows. They're actually relatively fresh because they were just done like 2-3 days ago. Yeah. I'm actually going to use my own wig cap because, like I said, this ain't my hair. This is my sister's hair. So I'm trying to keep as much of what's in the box as intact as possible. Let's just take off the net and see what the curls look like. Wow. I just love the way the wig game or the wig industry has like moved so far from where it started because having a wig pre-styled like this is such a game changer, and I'm so glad that that's the stage we're at right now. So yeah, it's a 5x5 closure. It also has a elastic band to help you adjust the wig cap to like the size of your head, and it also has like these elastic straps on the wig cap itself, so loads of ways to kind of customize this to your exact head size. So I'm just gonna hook these ones that come with the wig first, and then I'll adjust the elastic band afterwards. Oh my goodness, like I've literally not even done anything, but I can see the vision of this hair already, and it looks so, sorry if I'm looking up, I'm looking at the viewfinder, but I don't even think I need to say anything because You guys can already see what we're working with, and it looks absolutely perfect. Like, the lace is literally so flat to my head. Like, can you see on the side? I'm just looking into the mirror. Oh my goodness. What I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna cut the lace. I'm also gonna put a little bit of foundation on the inside just to get it to match a bit closer to my skin tone, because I don't have lace tints. If you have lace tints, this would have been a good time to use it, but I don't, so I'm just gonna go use some foundation. So to cut the lace, I'm actually going to be cutting in a zigzag motion, and this gives it a more natural looking hairline. Don't take my word for this, but this is what all the hair gurus always say, so we're just gonna listen to their advice and go with it. Not like real extreme zigzags, but just don't cut in a straight line basically, and you should be fine. If I can do it, you can too. So I'm going to use some Eco Styler gel just to do a little bit of edge work, and then I might just put a bit of got to be glued to like seal that once I'm done. So after I sprayed my edges, I just tied it down with the satin scarf that I got in the box. Afterwards, I just wanted to fix up the roots a bit because I had bunched them up while tying it down. So I went ahead and added some wax, and then I hot combed it just slightly. This wasn't needed, it's just because I had tied it down beforehand. And then after this, I just brushed out the curls, and I was scared for a minute here thinking it wouldn't revert back, but the curls came straight back. There was no product on my hands here. I was just running my fingers through it, and the curls, you know, came back to life again. And yeah, this is the final look of the hair once I was done. So I'm finally finished with this hair, and I honestly feel like it has made me transform into a new person. The color is absolutely perfect. It looks like a custom color, not like a machine made, but I don't know how it was made, so let me not comment on that. The lace lays absolutely flat, and like my cornrows aren't the tiniest, but it looks like this could be coming out of my scalp, like with how flat it is. The pre-styled curls, when I tell you they're set, they're set. Like, I brushed them out. You saw me in that last clip rushing through it, and like at the start I was scared that, oh my god, I may have just ruined it, but it literally just bounces right back. I can see these curls lasting a really long time up until you decide to wash the wig or style it into another style, but this is pretty much good to go. I did not lay this down. Yeah, you saw me do my edges a little bit, and then I just sprayed some Got to Be to kind of melt it because I don't have any of the melting products that people use for wigs, so I was just improvising. The hair feels so lush, so amazing. The length is also pretty true to the description. If I was to extend these curls out, I believe it does kind of look like a 22-inch wig. I'm not gonna measure it or anything because I don't think that's necessary. It was really affordable, I believe around 180 euros. Just gonna jump in here to give a disclaimer that this exact wig and spec is actually no longer available, unfortunately. It was bought during the summer sale, but now there is a blonde version available at a slightly higher price because it's no longer on sale. So just to give you a bit of context for the rest of the video, the information is not exactly accurate because pricing has subsequently changed. Or less even. This is not like the full price, it's with a bit of a discount, which is really good. Yeah, I don't know what else to say. The hair has not shed. Obviously, it holds a style pretty well, and it just feels amazing, looks amazing. It's absolutely easy to put on. You didn't have to do any of the edges stuff that I did. If you were just to cut the lace and put a little bit of foundation, you'd honestly be good to go. It feels really snug on my head. I don't feel like it's going anywhere. And yeah, this video is not sponsored. My sister bought this wig with her own money. This wig didn't come through PR. It wasn't sent. Nobody asked me to do this video. I just decided to do it after the wig arrived. I saw the packaging, I saw the hair, and I just felt inspired. I'm coming from someone who, like, I've got one luxury wig and then the rest of my wigs have been from like AliExpress or smaller vendors, this is the closest thing to luxury that I've come across in my time wearing wigs that doesn't cost a fortune, that isn't leading me to break the bank. Like I said, under €200 is quite a steal in this day and age because everything is so expensive, but this one will definitely get the job done. Just from my first impression alone, I feel like this wig is taking all the boxes. I might come back in a while, a couple of months, and give you an update if I feel like one is needed or anything changes. But for now, you can take it as it is. Let me know what you think about this hair in the comment section down below. Let me know if you think it suits me, if you bought from LUVME Hair, and what your experience has been as well. If there's any other wig companies or wig styles you'd like me to try, please send them my way and I'd be more than happy to do a review once it's affordable, because I'm not about to spend all my coins on wigs. As you can probably tell, my style of content around wigs is very beginner friendly because I don't be doing the most. I can't even do it. Maybe I'll learn, like maybe I'll become a wig girly. For now, I'm just gonna go with the simplest and the easiest for the everyday girl to be able to maneuver her way around and still look cute. Okay, I can't stop admiring myself, but I need to wrap up this video. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If you like this video, please do check out my other videos around my relaxed hair, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. If you are, thank you so much for being here. Don't forget to give this video a like to keep me encouraged so I come back here, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.